Good morning, friends. How are you? I just wanted to share this beautiful day with a meditation. Breathe in and hold it there for about 8 seconds. And breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Good. Let's sit in a relaxed position. Get comfortable. This meditation is going to guide you to just feel relaxed, comfortable, and relaxed. You're just enjoying nature, putting nature all around you. You could feel the sun resting on your eyes, on your head, as it slowly goes down your body. Breathe in, breathe out. You can hear the birds. Breathe in, breathe out. Just feel good. Feel joy. Put joy out wherever you are today is a message. Feel good and amazing. It's your birthright to feel good and amazing. Make a fresh start. Just wake up and say, this is my fresh start. Be in the present, go in, and relax your energy. This is also grounding with Source. It feels good and amazing. We are the nature. Well, I just wanted to wish everyone a beautiful day and hope that you are doing the best that you can, and know to go within, meditate for at least 10 to 15 minutes a day if you can. Take breaks. If you need to do it 2-3 times a day, you're going to definitely feel a difference. And so just wanted to share the message today about just feeling good, feeling your vibrations in nature. Stay positive because you are pure positive energy. Have a wonderful, blessed day. Take care, you guys. Bye.